One of the hardest things for me, James, and viewers that I've had to watch is Daunte's mother's testimony, because it is just a horrible thought for anyone to think and to see what happened to this. So let's watch some video, if we could, of Daunte Wright's mother when she was on the phone with her son. She testified after he'd gotten stopped, and he said, the police had pulled me over. This is her when she arrives on scene. She said she grabbed his child that she was taking care of, a 2-year-old, and went to the scene. And she's trying to explain there, it's my son, it's my son, it's my son. And these individuals are saying, hold up, you can't go over there. Tell us who you are, what's going on, what are the names? These police officers are trying to figure out who she is, and frankly, I think trying to even figure out what happened there. Again, James, let's just talk about the strict requirements of the state. I mean, they can talk about motive, they can bring all the emotional in because it's a horrible case, but how does that one video of Daunte's mother and the horrible, what she had to go through, how does that relate to the charges that the state has brought against Kimberly Potter?
I don't think they technically relate to the elements of the crime here, but in Minnesota, I think it's a minority of jurisdictions that allow this spark of life testimony. And of course, here it's not only spark of life, but the Daunte Wright's mom had some interaction with him in the last moments of his life, or at least with his girlfriend as well when she FaceTimed after this. But what it does do is bring to the fore, like, okay, if Officer Potter acted unreasonably here and was either reckless or culpably negligent, let's keep in mind there's a loss of a life. And Daunte Wright, while he may have made some missteps in his early youth at being 20 years old, certainly didn't deserve to die from that. So it has a strong emotional component for the jury as to want to do justice here for this family, because Daunte Wright should be alive and with us today. And the cries of the mother just really illustrate that in just the most, emotionally heartbreaking form. I think we were all touched by her testimony yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely. And no matter what the outcome, I think we all agree with you, James, Daunte Wright should be with us today.